Hello and welcome to today's very special video, which will be a bit different than standard PC components and peripheral reviews, mods and similar stuff. Today we're going to talk about something that is really interesting to me. This is the Dremel 4000, and not just any edition, this is a platinum edition which has loads of parts inside this box. Additional to that, we have some extra parts here that can be used with the Dremel 4000, but we'll get to that part later on. First of all, let's check the box content. Like this, it looks quite interesting just because it looks like a toolbox, since we are actually using a toolbox. And here you have one drawer and you have a top, I would say, shelf, which consists of the main tool that you're going to use. Of course, at the top you have the Dremel 4000 with cable connection for your power, of course, and you get a flexible shaft as well. Additionally to that, you get a Dremel right angle attachment, a Dremel shaping platform attachment, and the Dremel detailer's grip attachment. Also, we get Dremel engraver and Dremel multi-purpose cutting kit as well. As for the included accessories, you get the high-speed cutter, aluminum oxide grinding stone, which is 9.5 millimeters, aluminum oxide grinding stone 3.4 millimeters, aluminum oxide grinding wheel, silicon carbide grinding stone 4.8 millimeters, polishing compound, polishing wheels 26 millimeters and 13 millimeters, bristle brush 13 millimeters, Dremel EZ SpeedClic metal cutting wheels 5-pack. You get of course the plastic cutting wheels and the heavy duty cutoff wheel 24 millimeters, spiral cutting bits for multi-purpose use, and loads of sanding bands with different sizes and for different usage. Of course, you get loads of accessories in different boxes. So when you get the box, when you get the crate, the tool crate, you get everything inside the bags. But if you separate them nicely, you can place them inside these Dremel small boxes, which can be really handy to separate everything accordingly. Now, the Dremel 4000 will be definitely used in my future projects for custom modding and cutting on chassis, cases, plastic, metal, plexiglass, whatever it comes to mind. But let's check first the Dremel 4000. Now, when we're talking about it, it's quite easy to use it, of course. The way you remove the head is you just twist the top and you get to the top part, which can be removed by pressing the locking part, and when you hear the click, it just releases the top part. You unscrew it and then you can change the top to whatever you wish, or you need to change it to something different or just change to a new one. Moving it back, also you need to hold the locking button here and screw it back to its position. Now, beneath the locking button you have the on-off switch, and at the bottom you have the speed adjustments. So going from the lowest, you have a number 5 right here, and you can go up to 35, which means that the maximum control and precision is going from 5,000 to 35,000 RPM. So you can go from, with no load speed, you can go from 5,000 to 35,000 per minute spins. Rated power input is 175 watts, voltage is 230 watts. The weight of it is 0.66 kilos and the length is 23 centimeters. The sound power goes up to 89 decibels, but depending on what you're cutting, it could maybe go even higher depending on what material are you going to cut with it. Now, of course, on the side parts you have the exhaust for cooling the motor inside, here at the front and here at the back, which is quite standard. Now, when we go with the Dremel flexible shaft, you connect the top here on the Dremel 4000 and you get the flexibility of using this one instead for tight spots or anything similar to that. All the other tools that you get inside this box are definitely for more precision, more detailed work, and everything else that you need. Now, you might have remembered from my past videos, I used so far the Dremel 3000 for cutting the cases for modding or anything similar to that. Now I'm going to switch to 4000 since it has a quite better locking nut right here on the top. It has a stronger motor and definitely quite interesting to have. Plus the Platinum Edition comes with something really handy, and that's this flexible arm, which will help in the future projects. You get the instruction manual and you get all the accessory information inside, which can be which explain on how to use, when to use, and what to use. So the detailer's grip, and this is quite interesting, of course, because you don't have to hold the entire Dremel, you just hold it like this and you get more precise work done with it. The Dremel shaping platform is something that gives you a possibility to get these straight angles of something and to get really nice lines if you're aiming for something to be precise and not just something that you will later on cover up. Now with the Dremel right angle attachment, you could reach those I would say strange areas that are already very hard to achieve even with a standard drill bit or with whatever. You can just use this, attach it to the top of the Dremel 4000 and just get those really hard places to do whatever you need. And also it's really handy to have. Now with this little thing, believe me, it's not little, but still, you could actually do a nice line and circles just with this, because you can attach it in a way to the Dremel and have nice shapes that you need, or nice lines or whatever. So it kind of comes quite handy when it comes to some precise circles, lines, or whatever you need while doing a project. Now with all these additional accessories, I actually bought this since I'm using them quite a lot, and they really sometimes, well, basically I was using the Dremel 688 ones. This is a cutting set for different types of material, and these actually run quite fast. They are really an expendable accessory. But with this SpeedClic, I'm aiming to have them for a bit longer time and not just for one single cut. So it will be quite interesting, because in the future you'll be seeing loads of Dremel 4000 in my videos when it comes to custom projects, and there you can see an exact example on how to use it. Today we just have a presentation of the Dremel 4000 and the Platinum Edition, which comes with loads of accessories and everything that you might need. Of course, you have additional accessories that you could buy, which come with the accessory information booklet that you could check on your website. So all in all, this is just some sort of an introduction to the Dremel 4000 Platinum Edition, and you can check out the details below with the prices for the whole box and where to get it, with the links below in the description. So guys, thank you for watching today's video. Even though you didn't see any purpose parts in this video, you'll see in the future ones, which will be coming out very shortly. So thank you for watching. Leave a like, thumbs up button if you liked the video, leave a comment as well, and of course subscribe for future content. See you very soon guys, bye bye.